Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get started with rendering your projects in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this menu right here where you can get started with creating a new composition. So you can see here is our composition name. We can select our quality right here, any info we might want to use, and after that just click OK and get started with your composition right here. So as you can see, here is our project where we can add some new text, we can add our effects and so on. And after you are satisfied with your projects and you want to get started with rendering and exporting it, this is how to do it. Basically what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner. After clicking the file option, this is going to open up this new drop down menu of all the options we can access, and one of them is called export. So if we put our mouse on export, as you can see, this is going to open up this new menu right here where we can see we can add to the media encoder queue or add to the render queue and so on. Basically what we want to do is click add to render queue. After clicking render queue, this is now going to open up this render queue where we can find our composition. As you can see, we can go ahead and get started with managing our render settings and our output module. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and manage our settings by clicking the settings and select what kind of render settings we want, the best, or maybe we want to enter in our settings and so on. And after that, you can select the output module. You want to go ahead and select the highest quality to make sure your project looks good, or you can change it to something else if you prefer. And after you're ready guys and you want to get started with rendering, all you have to do is click the render button right here that's going to appear, and after clicking render, it's going to start the rendering process. But yeah, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.